So guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can use Sora, the OpenAI. So what you have to do, first you have to open up your Chrome browser, then you have to search Sora AI. After searching this, you will find a bunch of web page. You have to go to an OpenAI web page. Then you can see here is the Sora AI that will make videos from your text prompt. You can see prompt: a stylish woman walk down on Tokyo street. So this is the video from this prompt. You can make video, any video from there. So to use it, you have to wait sometimes until OpenAI release it publicly for personal use. So this is not available for everyone right now. You have to wait some time and to use it personally. So I hope you find this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.